Hi class, let's take a look at example 1 and I'm example 5, sorry. And if you look at example 5, you can technically just rewrite this one. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to extract the constant out. So this is technically 10 integral of dx over technically x squared plus 1. And no need of a partial fraction decomposition because this is technically just dx over x squared plus 1 squared, or 1. If it was a minus 1, then in that case, yes, it would be a different one. So this one is a tangent inverse. So this will be just 10 times the tangent inverse of x plus the values of c. So you have to be a little bit careful. Some of these problems are going to show up where they may appear that we need to do something else, but it's already in the form from the tangent ones now, or any of the inverse ones as well. So let me just rewrite it. And in this case, as I said, because of the value of the plus 1, it's a tangent inverse. If it had been a minus 1, in that case, yes, it follows a partial fraction decomposition. But that's it for this one.